A navigator sits in front, surrounded by his maps. He belches in the intercom and wakes us from our naps.
Brig the Flying Fortress and pray that she'll port. We'd rather be at home than in the friggin' Flying Fort.
Our captain sits up on the left, he flies the fort with ease, but he hands it to the co-pilot when we're heading for the trees.
Brig the Flying Fortress and pray that she'll port. We'd rather be at home than in the friggin' Flying Fort.
The midway gunner has to stand to give his guns a pull, but that's alright, cause in the fight his hands get mighty full.
Brig the Flying Fortress and pray that she'll port. We'd rather be at home than in the friggin' Flying Fort.
Then pity the poor tail gunner, for his space is very sparse, and when the landing gear retracts, he gets it up the arse.
Brig the Flying Fortress and pray that she'll port. We'd rather be at home than in the friggin' Flying Fort.
Well, the radio operator passed on the news reports. He says that Congress just outlawed the friggin' Flying Fort. Hooray!
Brig the Flying Fortress and pray that she'll port. We'd rather be at home than